Hey everybody, really excited. The new Spedix Rex 80 mini drone is in stock. Really nice and compact. I really love the shape of the propellers here. 4 bladers, looks like they cut good. They got some really serious pitch on them. The video system is phenomenal. They put in a Spedix high-res FPV camera in it. They also put in a switchable 25 milliwatt to 100 milliwatt VTX. It's got brushless motors. They are 1103s, 11,000 kV. Very cool because it has a 12 amp 4-in-1 ESC system that can handle from 2 to 4 cells to it. So this thing is gonna rip. Very compact, very light, really cool color. They also give you underneath here, you can switch out the battery tray so you can get the bigger batteries in. Comes with an XT30 on it, and they are bind and fly. We have them in Free Sky, and we also have them in Spectrum, the DSMX. Now I could sit here all day and tell you all the features about it, but the best thing to do is come by here, put it in your grubby little hands, and give it some love. Thanks again everybody for watching. Don't forget to go to Facebook and like our page. We also have some really cool videos on YouTube, so subscribe to that also. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We'll see you soon.